Dear guys, today I am going to teach you part 2 of the lesson Expert Detectives for class 7. The name of the lesson is Expert Detectives, part 2. As I told you in the first part, how a boy and a girl trying to investigate, trying to learn about Mr. Nath, what kind of man he is, and uh, how he lives his life. Just in this part, in the second part, which we are going to learn, that is, I wrote in large block letters, that is, a girl, she wrote in large block letters, catching a crook, catching a crook, catching a crook, catching a crook. Just how they want to investigate about Mr. Nath. Expert detectives, expert, the children, both, one boy and one girl, they are expert detectives. Nishad and Maya Pandit, that is, they are detectives. They try to learn more about Mr. Nath. They investigate about him by appointment to the whole world. Just these were written in, that is, large letters. Then I began writing. Just the girl, Maya Pandit, started writing something. About half an hour, after half an hour, आधे घंटे के बाद, it turned towards seven, her brother, she turned towards her brother and she asked something, who was lying on his tummy, that is, he was, her brother, lying on the bed, chin cupped in his hand, and he was just holding his head in his palms and reading comics. He was reading, his brother reading comics, and just Maya wanted to ask something. Want to hear what I have written? Just she asked. She asked, the sister Maya Pandit asked her brother, want to hear? सुनना चाहते हो what I have written, what she has written, क्या उसने लिखा है? Wanted to learn about. Just see, he looked up questioningly, प्रश्नात्मक ढंग से देखा, that is, he looked towards her. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, that is, different kinds of facts they had listed. वो list कर चुके थे many facts, that is, he wanted to tell Mr. Nath about Mr. Nath, yes, Mr. Nath, and which might help us to trap him. Just he told here that they had listed many things about Mr. Nath, and these things were very helpful. These things will help them to investigate about Mr. Nath. Want to hear? Yes, Evan nodded. Yes, fact number 1. That is, these are the facts. That is fact number 1. पहला जो तथ्य था, fact number 1. I read, his name is Mr. Nath. Just the first fact was that his name was Mr. Nath. जो ये व्यक्ति के बारे में they wanted to learn, that is, his name was Mr. Nath. That is, we must discover his first name. They wanted to learn what was his first name. उसका पहला नाम क्या था, ये जानना था. Next, do you think that he is real man? Maya, Nishad asked. Just he asked that it was his real name. Probably not. शायद नहीं. Probably, seldom not. I said most crooks have an alias. That is, so many crooks are there who change their name and they have alternate name. They have alternate name. उनका दूसरा नाम कोई होता है. Just, and I asked a big question mark after Nath. विश्वनाथ के लिए उसने बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा दिया. The fact number 2, that is first fact, that is about his name. Second fact, what was the दूसरा तथ्य था? I read on the tenants at शंकर हाउस में रहने वाले जो किराएदार हैं, लोग हैं वहाँ रहने वाले, जैसे वे कहते हैं, he is mad, strange and unfriendly. He is mad, cracked, वो cracked है, पागल है, strange, अद्भुत है, and unfriendly, he has no friend, unfriendly, बिना मित्र का, कोई दोस्त उसका नहीं है. That is number 3. Fact number 3. तीसरा जो तथ्य है, that is does not talk to anyone. किसी से बात नहीं करता. And he is a mannerless person. Mannerless. He knew no manner at all. Mannerless व्यक्ति, वो mannerless आदमी है. And also, but he did not talk to us. Maya, Mama says he is very polite, just that is, he did not talk to them, and their mother says he is very polite. According to her mother, that is, he is polite person, वो बहुत विनम्र आदमी है. Yes, why? Because polite. Nishad interrupted, who only talked to us, became he had to, and I said, since he was under Mamma's medical, that is the mother of Nishad, that is she is a doctor, and this person, this man, Mr. Nath, is under her treatment, उसके ट्रीटमेंट में है, वो उसको क्योर कर रही है. That's why he had to be polite. That's why he was so polite. Why? Because his mother was treating him. Fact number 4. What was the fact number 4? चौथा तत्व. He does not receive any letters. No letter. He receives no letter. कहीं से उसका कोई पत्र नहीं आता. इसका कोई रिलेटिव नहीं है. And number 5, he has been living in room 10 of Shankar House. Shankar House के जो घर है वहाँ रूम नंबर 10 में 10 साल से रह रहा था. रूम ऑफ शंकर हाउस फॉर मोर देन ए ईयर, एक साल से ज़्यादा. दैट इज मोर देन 1 ईयर, एक साल से ज़्यादा ही हैज़ बीन लिविंग देयर, वहाँ रह रहा है. रूम नंबर 10, 10 रूम नंबर में. एंड सिट्स इन हिज रूम ऑल डे. दैट इज ओके. नंबर 6, ही डज नॉट वर्क. छठा जो तथ्य है, he does not work, he don't like to do any work, कोई काम नहीं करता. and sits in his room all day he is sitting in his room, पूरे दिन अपने कमरे में बैठा रहता. does not like to do work, कोई काम नहीं करता. 7, सातवां तथ्य है, he gets in Shankar house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. that is some grown-ups or children, that is feared, डरते हैं उससे. and number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacled, एक चश्मा वाला आदमी only comes there to visit him. No other persons were there. For fact, this man was fair fat man who visits him on Sundays for lunch. Only on Sundays he comes here to visit Mr. Nath. Only on Sunday this man comes there to visit Mr. Nath. Number 9, food and tea are taken to the room by Ramesh. Ramesh, a boy, brings टी एंड फूड फॉर हिम फ्रॉम द रेस्टोरेंट. रेस्टोरेंट से उसके लिए चाय और भोजन लाता. एंड डाउन स्टेज ही डज नॉट केयर व्हाट ही ईट्स, बट नोबडी नोज व्हाट ही ईट्स, बट पेज हिज बिल इमीडिएटली एंड टिप्स वेल. एंड जब से टिप्स कुछ वजी पुरस्कार वगैरह भी देता, उसको टिप्स भी देता, बख्शिश भी देता, टिप्स. द पर्सन हु ब्रिंग्स फूड एंड टी फॉर हिम, Ramesh, and ends my list, and just I have forgotten anything. 7. So just the girl asked her brother, has he forgotten anything? क्या उसने कुछ भूला तो नहीं, सब कुछ बताया. Nishad had obviously not been paying so much attention. Nishad, brother, was not paying so much attention towards all these facts. इधर कोई ध्यान नहीं दे रहा था. But poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he does not have any friend. Just he is that is, he has pity for him. Why? Because he has no friend. उसको कोई दोस्त ही नहीं है. कोई लेटर आता है, न कोई से मिलता है. He has no friend at all. How can a crook have friends, idiot? His sister asked him. How can a crook have any friend? एक crook का कैसे कोई दोस्त हो सकता है? I almost shouted. At least he has one friend. That just she said that he has only one friend. Who is that person? One who meets him on Sundays. A person who comes on Sundays. He is his friend, perhaps. He may be his friend. Brilliant thought occurred to him. That brilliant thought, an idea came, that it took place in his mind. Just then must Mr. Nath come accomplish, a helper. Accomplice, a kind of helper, one who helps him in his work, उसके कार्य वगैरह में जो सहायता करता हो. Maybe this man, ये आदमी हो सकता है. And maybe the Kithol lieutenant just comes now and then. Sometimes he comes there on Sundays to give part of it, and his partner, just as a partner, he comes there to give his own part. Mr. Nath for expenses, that's it. I'm sure I'm right. It may be that this person may be his partner who comes on Sunday. जो संडे को व्यक्ति आता है, हो सकता है. Maybe his partner, उसका partner हो सकता है. His expenses, and if you insist on calling him a criminal, if you insist, जोर देना, अगर जोर देते हो उसको, if you are calling that he is a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you. Just he is not agree. He don't like to discuss on this matter anymore. Maya and Nishad angrily नाराज होकर कहता है निशाद, he cannot be such a bad man. He cannot be such a bad man. वो बुरा नेक आदमी नहीं हो सकता. If he gives Ramesh such generous tips, if he gives, यदि वो रमेश को इतना बख्शिश देता है, अच्छे बख्शिश देता है, he can't be a bad man. He can't be a crook. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, and so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet. Just that is their opinion that he must, or that is due to some reason, or he must be bribing him. He must be giving some bribe to Ramesh to keep quiet. शांत रहने के लिए उसे कुछ घूस देता हो. निशाद glared at me, looked at me. निशाद उसकी ओर देखा. With his arms tightly crossed across his chest, I was beginning to get fed up with him. Just उससे वो उब गया. Abhi, how can we make any progress with your investigations if you take that attitude? If you are if you have such type of opinion about him, how we can investigate about him? कैसे हम आगे अपना investigate कर सकते हैं? If you think so, I will cooperate only. That is a one condition is there. He puts one condition before his sister. I cooperate you if only you give up this idea about him and escaped crook. Just भगा हुआ जो crook है उसके बारे में, this type of idea you have. Said 7. You really make up me angry. Really you will make me angry. इससे मैं नाराज हो जाऊंगा. If you have such type of idea about him. I almost hit him. I make you angry. If you stupid off, I shouted. She shouted. That is, you make me mad. What is this? Wait a point of all these inquiries of his, not a crook. Just he is not agree to suppose, he is not agree to accept that he is a crook. If you think he is nobody, अगर तुम सोचते हो वो कुछ नहीं है, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me what is your thinking? तुम्हारा सोच क्या है? निशाद looked thoughtful. विचारवान कुछ दिखा. विचार जो कहा, you'd like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. Why? Just he wanted to know. Nishad wanted to find out why this person is so thin and lonely. अकेला क्यों है? He has no friends at all, no relatives at all. I want to know why he does not have any friends or lives alone. Why? He has no friend and lives alone. कोई मित्र नहीं है और अकेले रहता है. Why? What is the cause? Try to understand 7. His sister told him. Try to understand what she is telling. I told him he is lived. If he has lived in Shankar house, अगर शंकर हाउस में रहता है for a year रह रहा है. He has been living in Shankar house for a year, सालों से. Doesn't have any. Why? He has no friend, single friend. उसका कोई एक भी मित्र नहीं. Why? What is the cause? Due to his crookedness. Something wrong is with him. Thus, we try to find out something wrong is there. That's why he has no friend. इसीलिए उसका कोई दोस्त नहीं, इसलिए गलत आदमी crook है. He's obviously scared and someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. And it is his fear. ये उसका डर है कि somebody will he don't make any friend. Why? Because it is his fear that if anyone will know about him, they will try to change him, try to call police and he will be arrested. So maybe no one's tried to make friends with him. That's why, that is the reason nobody tried to make friends with him. Nishad protested. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is. Just he is calling nasty bear. उसको nasty bear कह रहा है. I don't care. Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I'm going to try to be his friend. Just he is ready to go to him and try to make him his friend. उसे अपना दोस्त बनाने जा रहा है, ऐसा उसने कहा. Friends with a crook. एक crook के साथ दोस्ती. You are going to make a crook your friend. हाँ, you are crazy. तुम crazy हो. 7. I said the cops will take you to jail. You will go also jail with him, with a crook. You will also will be taken to jail, तुम भी जेल ले जाए जाओगे. If you go and make him your friend, don't you want to happen, you idiot, मूर्ख, तुम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. निषाद merely glared at me. निषाद ने उसकी ओर देखा, मेरी बहन की ओर देखा, and quietly walked out of the room. And he went out of the room. कमरे से बाहर निकल गया. Yes, my theories seem to have made no impression on him at all. Just what was the theory of his sister? उसके sister की जो theory थे, that is no impression at all on his brother. उसकी भाई पर इसका कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ रहा था. This is the end of this story, and I hope you will try to understand. And just I'm sending all the solutions of this lesson, and try to complete and write all the question solutions in your notebook. Okay, thanks.